Yeah, hello guys. Today I'm going to demonstrate about the abstract class and interface. Whenever anyone go for any interview, there is the very first question and very important question about the abstract and interface. Every interviewer will ask about the what is difference between abstract and interface, why you we are using abstract in his scenario you are using abstract and interface, right? I'm going to give some details about this so that it will help for the everyone. Okay, now there is a first slides. I'm going to just give the simple definition of abstract class. Abstract class is a way to achieve abstraction. An abstract class is never intended to be instantiated directly. We cannot create the instance of the abstract class. We have to implement the abstract class through any class. Okay, now, abstract class can be declared by using only the abstract keyword. In the next slide, I am going to show you one example related to this. Here, this is the very simple example. This is the simple program. I am just creating a class G, that is the abstract method in this class, and class G1 is implementing this abstract class. Another class G2 is abstracting the same abstract class with different methods, uh, with different functionalities, right? Suppose I want to call from the any class. Suppose I am to call from the main methods. In this way, we can call and achieve our goal, right? Now, what is the interface? In interface, we can only declare the members and methods, right? I- Okay, but in abstract, we can be both type of methods. This is the simple example how to implement the interface. This is the interface declaring one method so. In my class, just implementing the interface one in this way, and we are calling this way, right? So this is the way of implementing the interface. Now in the next slide, I am just giving some differences between abstract class and interface. You can see here, there are few differences I noted down. This is very useful and we have to learn this before going to any interview in .NET technology. Okay. Like first one is it contains declaration and definition part, but in interface only the declaration part. Multiple inheritance can be achieved using abstract class, but interface multiple inheritance cannot be achieved by abstract class, but interface yes. It can contain constructor, it does not contain constructor. It contains static member, it does not contain static member. So these are the all differences you guys must be aware before going to an interview, right? Okay, in the next slide, this is also very important for the experienced guys. For the experienced people, we have to know in which situation we have to use abstract class, in which situation we have to use interface. So there is the few scenarios I'm giving in which scenario best suited for the abstract class. Abstract class mostly used whenever we're designing a class and that class has any method, abstract method, and child classes are going to use the similar type of methods, right? Similar functionalities. In this scenario, we have to use abstract class. The purpose of abstract class is to provide a common definition of a base class that multiple derived class can share. For example, a class library may define abstract class that uses two parameter to many of its functions and require programmer using library to provide their own implementation of class by creating derived class. Okay. Interface. Interface if your child class would implement certain group or methods functionality, but each of child class is free to provide own implementation, then use interface. This is the example, you guys can read it. Okay, interface in a scenario like if you want to child class implement multiple unrelated functionality, this is the very important things. Multiple unrelated functionality if you are going to implement, then interface is the should be used. Like there is the another scenario, uh, it's given in the slides, you have to read it, right? And just I am providing some details, and if you guys like this concept, then first subscribe my channel, and time to time I will provide this type of video. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, my YouTube channel link is given below, you can check it.